Hello guys, welcome to SLA tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn about data types in Python. Variable can hold values and every value has a data type. Python is a dynamically typed language. Hence, we do not need to define the type of the value while declaring it. The interpreter implicitly binds the value with its type. In other programming languages like C, C++, Java, we need to declare the data type while assigning some value to the variable. For example, if we give a is equal to 5, here Python interpreter will automatically interprets value as a integer. To know the type of the value stored in variable, we use type function print of type of a. Then we'll get the output as class integer, means integer type of value stored in variable a. If we take a is equal to 5 3, then print type of a. We'll get the output as class float, means float type of data type was stored in variable a. If we take b is equal SLA enclosed with a single quotes, print type of b. Then we'll get the output as class str, means string type of data was stored in variable b. Data types in Python. Python provides various standard data types that defines the storage method on each of them. There are basically five main data types are there: numeric, dictionary, boolean, set, sequence type data types. In numeric data type, there are integer, complex, float data types are there. In sequence type, string, list, tuple data types are there. First, we will discuss numeric data type. Numeric data type means numbers, integer, float, and complex values are belongs to Python numeric data type. Int, integer values means whole numbers belongs to the int data type. For example, 10, 20, minus 12, minus 36, etc. All are these comes under integer data type values. If we take a is equal to 10, then print of type of a, will get the result as 10 is integer type value. Like if we take a is equal to minus 12, then print of type of a will get the output as integer type value, means whole numbers are belongs to the integer data type values. Next, float. Numbers with decimals belongs to the float data type. For example, 2.36, 3.365, 221.654. If we take a is equal to 2.36, to know the type of the data stored in variable a, we use type function print of type of a. Will get the output as float, means float type of data was stored in variable a. Next, complex. We already know complex numbers. We are studied in schooling level. Numbers with real and imaginary values belongs to the complex numbers. For example, in the form of a plus bj, numbers are called as complex numbers. If we take a is equal to 3 plus 5j, here 3 is the real number and 5j is the imaginary number. If we use type function to know the type of the data, print of type of a, then we'll get the output as complex, means complex type of data was stored in variable a. Next, dictionary. Dictionary is an unordered set of key value pair of items. The items in the dictionary are separated by comma and enclosed in the curly braces. In the second step, we can see the syntax of the dictionary data type. Key 1, colon value 1, comma key 2, colon value 2, comma so on are enclosed in curly braces. We will see one example for this dictionary data type. A is equal to curly braces inside character A colon 1 comma character B colon 2 comma character C colon 625. Print of type of A. Then we'll get the output as dictionary. Means dictionary type of values were stored in variable A. Next, Boolean. Boolean type provides two built-in values, true and false. These values are used to determine the given statement is true or false. Example, A is equal to true, B is equal to false. This Boolean is denoted by bool class. For example, if A is equal to true, to know the type of the data, we'll use type function print of type of A. Then we'll get the output as class bool, means Boolean type of data type is stored in variable A. Like this, if we take B is equal to false, print of type of B, then we'll get the output as class bool, means Boolean type of data was stored in variable B. Next, set. Python set is unordered collection of data type. It contains various type of values. The set is created by passing elements in the curly braces and separated by the comma. We can see in the example. Inside the curly braces, string SLA, comma 3, comma 5, comma string Python is there. This is the example for the set. If we use Python IDE, A is equal to open curly braces string SLA, comma 3, comma 5, comma string Python, close curly braces. Then print of type of A. We'll get the output as class set, means set type of data was stored in variable A. Sequence data type. In that sequence type, first string. The string can be defined as the sequence of characters represented in the quotation marks. In Python, we can use single, double or triple quotes to define string. For example, A is equal to Python enclosed with single quotes, B is equal to Python enclosed with double quotes, C is equal to multi-line string enclosed with triple quotes. Here we use triple quotes for the multi-line strings. In Python IDE, if we take A is equal to Python enclosed with quotation marks, then print of type of A, then we'll get the output as class str, means string type of data is stored in variable A. Next, list. List is ordered sequence of objects. Python lists are similar to arrays concepts. Then the items stored in list are separated with comma and enclosed with square brackets. Example, list1 is equal to open square bracket 1 comma SLA enclosed with single quotes comma 3.6 close square bracket. If we take it in Python IDE, list1 is equal to open bracket 1 comma SLA enclosed with single quotes comma 3.6 close the bracket. Then print of type of list1 will get the output as class list, means list type of data was stored in variable list1. Next, tuple. A tuple is similar to the list in many ways. Like lists, tuple also contains the collection of the items of different types. The items of tuple are separated with a comma and enclosed in parentheses. Example, open bracket 1 comma SLA enclosed with single quotes comma 3.6. If we take it If we take it in Python IDE, then a is equal to open bracket 1 comma SLA enclosed with single quotes comma 3.6 close the bracket, then then print of type of a, then we'll get the output as class tuple. Means tuple type of data was stored in variable a. These are the data types are there in Python. If you like the video, please click on like button and do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.